Welcome back, dear wisdomized traders. Another day, another episode. Just as always, we are going to dive into the crypto market. So, long story short, the market is waiting for the next catalyst now, and obviously, the next catalyst should be inauguration of Donald Trump as a president. So 6 days to go. We're very much looking forward for the next event that hopefully is not priced in and going to push the industry as a whole to the moon. So BTC has been stabilized. The market had a little bit of push upside as of yesterday with positive news on the CPI side coming out. So the economy is still coming back from this highly inflated times, and it seems like we can have this positive momentum moving forward in the next couple of days. And as always, I have been today active in the community. I've been sharing the trades that I'm currently in, and I am in a bit, I would say too many trades now, because I think in total 8 to 9 positions, which I don't think is necessarily the right way, but it's just the way it is. I did not enter the trades perfectly, and some of them are in a 20% drawdown, but things can happen really quickly in the crypto space, and 20% drawdown is absolutely nothing. Sometimes I personally had this where I entered a conviction trade. I held it to -3 times the value, so -75% drawdown, and then came up 10x winner. So I made 10 times the return. So let's dive into the crypto markets. Let's dive into the charts, just as always. We're seeing this BTC now as forecasted. I'm expecting a bullish momentum to continue as we saw basically a full closure on Wednesday's candle, and I do believe again that we're gonna see a rise in this crypto asset, on the main crypto asset, with BTC dominance have dropped a bit, which is actually surprising, and we're seeing this massive downward candle followed by potentially another one. So we could see a sell-off at any given moment moving forward. Now, I would not expect, I would not exclude that we're just gonna come down to 55 level, and 54.73 is the low where things can get really, really serious. So again, we are waiting for this BTC dominance to drop to below 50%, which would mean that we're gonna see a massive inflow into the altcoin markets, and this is exactly the thing that everyone is dying to see, if it's gonna come, and if and when it's gonna come. These are two questions that remain to be seen. We do not know exactly when they are going to happen, but the likelihood of this event happening, where the altcoin markets are going to see insane pumps, is looking good. And as you can see here, 1.05 trillion is the altcoin market cap size currently, with Bitcoin having 3.42 of it in total. So 3.42 trillion market cap in total crypto assets, and 1 trillion of it is altcoin. So with this yesterday's bullish closure, I do expect that we are going to break out this high yet again, and this momentum would be possible that it's going to be sustainable breakout upside from here. And if we're gonna break this this area, then upside is basically unlimited. This is called price discovery, and we don't know how crazy things can go. With that being said, I believe that it's gonna happen sooner rather than later. So the target for this rise would be around 1.9 trillion. Would align with textbook pattern. So you have to measure from the low, which is 300 million, to the high, and then you basically take the same amount and count to the upside. So I believe that altcoin markets can go up to 1.9 trillion this cycle, and oh boy, this is something that everyone is looking forward to. But for now, we have not seen this just yet. We're all waiting for Trump to come and take the cabinet, right? So yeah, all we have to do right now is just to wait and do nothing. Essentially, that's what I believe is true. And this cycle is a bit different as well, because a lot of the crypto assets will not get enough attention. So attention is everything in the crypto markets. Majority of the attention is on Twitter. That's exactly the platform that is being looked at the most. As you can see, all my feed is basically crypto related, and this is the platform where majority of the traders are looking for the alpha. One of my friends just told me that he had 60%, 6,000% return on altcoin, which he actually um, just saw from X, from Twitter, and he just held with conviction. This is the potential that you can do in the crypto markets, and the rise of this asset has not been even started. I mean, it has started obviously, but there are many more similar crypto assets that you can spot from Twitter if you are looking forward to finding new cryptos. But another way how you can do this is through the Wisdomize intelligence dashboard, where you can see all these assets that have been talked about the most in the last 24 hours. So Wisdomize intelligence scans 4,000 posts from different alpha groups and gives you the access to all of them. So now there are many different styles. There are many different traders. Everyone is unique. There is no right or wrong answer on how you should use this platform, because again, you have way too many cryptos here. But personally, I like to check the newest cryptos on the dashboard, because this means that there is a new fresh data that is being shared from the AI and given to you on a golden plate. One of the cryptos that I have personally seen on Twitter is the Pythia, which has a significant traction, and this is basically a rat that is going to be AI. It's gonna basically it's the first rat that has AI implemented inside of it, and it is being done by Russian scientists who have done this the first time in the history of humankind. So this is all narrative, and that's exactly how the crypto market runs, based on narratives, based on ideologies that are relevant today in this very moment. So it's all momentum trading basically, and momentum trading in attention economy. So we are in a working in a attention and economy. Whoever gets the most attention wins, and you can like it, you cannot, but that's just how the way it is, and you have absolutely nothing. Um, you can't really fight this, right? So here the social radar gives you all of the crypto assets that are being talked about the most in this very moment, and these are something that you can actually come here and take a look without you scanning the market without you participating in the market, which is really convenient, and something that no one else has besides Wisdomize intelligent subscribers. Now, we also have the whale radar, but the whale radar is something that you need to build your conviction around, and understand where are these whales buying and selling. So again, as usual, the way that I would say is you will find disbalances between sells and buys, and you want to see massive disbalances. For example, Solana is very much bought up by the whales. 221 whales are buying and 37 are selling. And these are the disbalances that I'm personally looking for. But besides Solana, I haven't seen too many. So, for example, Ton coin is being offloaded by the whales, right? This is something that you need to keep in mind at any given moment. But there is Gala. Gala Games is being bought up. Oh, this is very interesting, actually. I'm gonna give this. Let's check what's happening with Gala, because this is very interesting. So how we can capitalize on this information, knowing that 74 whales are buying this crypto and only one is selling. Let's take a look at the technicals. So we have had this first initial breakout, sort of. Then we retraced all the way back to where it started at 14 cents per Gala, and now we're effectively we did another test pump on this crypto, and I believe that there could be some information about Gala being heavily bought up by some inside traders who know something about this. So it looks very interesting, in my opinion, that a lot of whales are buying this crypto, even though it has not done much. In all honesty, this is very interesting. So, is there a significant risk to reward ratio that I could say is worth taking this trade? I think there is. It's just a matter about when certain cryptos are going to move, and if we see a gaming sector in crypto taking off completely, then Gala will be one that's gonna move heavily, because it's basically a Shiba or Doge in the gaming space. So you will see a lot of people finding large caps and trying to get their safe bets in the industry. So this is something that you can definitely look in, and I will notify now the community about this potential trade coming up. And as you can see, there are also wicks below. So I would say that this could be a winning trade indeed. So yeah, I think not overtrade. We can just monitor Gala for now, because it's coming from whale radar, and I will keep you guys posted on how this trade will go moving forward. So that's it for today. Just in a brief 10 minutes, we were able to identify one significant opportunity that can can run, and is also on the safe side because it's a large cap, and you can do this with size easily without thinking, without losing your initial investment, because it will, once the gaming season starts, things can go really, really, really crazy. And believe me or not, but gaming is as big as of an industry as is film and music industry combined. So it's very, very huge, and there's a lot of money to be made. So having this said, um, let's let's wait and monitor for Gala and see what whales are buying and what their intentions are. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.